Assalamualaikum, dear student of class 7. How are you all? I hope you are doing well, safe at home. Now in previous class we done long question number 5. What are the different component of QBasic? Now in present class we done long question number 5. What are the different type of operators in QBasic? First, we all know what are operators. An operator defines the type of operation to be performed on data. There are 4 kinds of operators in QBasic. First one is arithmetic operator. Second one is rational operator. Third one is logical operator. Fourth one is string operators. Now one by one we know and learn about all the operators one by one. First, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform calculation on numeric values. Arithmetic operator are whose operator to performed or working to the calculation on numeric values. Now second one is rational operators. Rational operators are used to compare different values. Now third one is logical operators. Logical operators are used to compare two or more values. Now third one is string operators. Fourth one is string operators. QBasic use the plus operator to combine to string. Now all the question note down in your computer notebook and learn by heart. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.